Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to check your IP address using command prompt in Windows, so you can quickly see your network information when troubleshooting or setting things up. First, click the Start button. Type command prompt. Click command prompt from the search results. When the command prompt window opens, click inside it once. Now type ipconfig. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Windows will now display your network details. Look for the section called IPv4 Address. The numbers next to IPv4 address are your current IP address. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, check under Wireless LAN Adapter Wi-Fi. If you are using a cable, check under Ethernet Adapter. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.